Hello everyone and welcome to my newest video. 2015 BMW X6M has an issue with the parking brake that does not work and makes a loud noise when applied. The loud noise was exactly from this part. It's a safety ratcheting mechanism that just starts slipping and making that loud noise when the load is too much. So when there's too much tension, instead of breaking something, it'll just skip and make a loud grinding noise. And that is caused by cables being all the way in. So this cable was all the way into the mechanism, and it bottomed out. And there was no more space to pull it in, and it just stopped. And coming back to our ratcheting piece, and the pieces just started like ratcheting and grinding because it bottomed out. We were not able to release it without taking it apart because this one's gone too far, I guess. So we had to take it apart. There is a sealer here. There was a cover with a sealer. It had to be taken apart by cutting the seal open. We're gonna reseal it after. So it's all now opened, removed. We have moved them all the way out. The reason it happened is because no one bothered to adjust the parking brake shoes, and there was too much gap, too much free play, and that allowed for a lot of movement inside, and it bottomed out inside here, and then it got stuck. So whenever you guys have these systems on your BMWs or maybe other vehicles, make sure you have your shoes adjusted properly, because you're gonna have issues like this, and that's gonna cause you a lot of grief, and it's gonna suck a lot of energy out of you. Anyway, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.